So in this video, we will see how we can handle our inbox using automation tools and semi-automation tools. So let's jump on it. So let's begin with automation tools. First is Sweep. Sweep is your silent helper. It gives you 4 ways to handle recurring emails from a same sender. So first, click on the message from the sender. So to show you the demo, I simply select this one. Now you have to go to the Home tab, and under Move, you will see this option Sweep. When you click on this, you will get your 4 options. First, for messages from this email address. As I have selected my own email, so this is my email address. So these sweep feature will be applicable on this email only. So you have to first choose from these options. First is move all messages from the inbox folder. Second is move all messages from the inbox folder or any future messages. Third is always keep the latest message and move the rest from the inbox folder. And the final is always move messages older than 10 days from the inbox folder. In all these 4 options, we are talking about moving the messages. So to move those messages, you have to select the specific folder over here. You can also choose create new folder from here, and that will customize all the setup using sweep feature, and you will very easily move your messages according to the selection you make very easily. Now the second one is rules. Rules are automation with your logic. Set condition and let Outlook take action for you. So when you click on this Home tab, under Move section, once again, you have rules. So there are 2 options, create rule and manage rule. So when you select an email and click on create rule, that rule will be only applicable for the specific email you have selected here. And if you select manage rules, you are redirected to the main page setup of rules. So I will show you from here. So when you click on this add new rule, you will have to first name your rule. So I name it move emails. Now the second option is add a condition. Here I need to add a condition. So when I click on the drop down, you will see multiple options here. Now I want to set up a rule when I receive an email from a specific sender with a specific keyword in the subject or body. That mail will be moved to a specific folder, or you can also set up an action like you can mark as read, or you can pin that email. Lots of permutation combination you can make. So first I will show you from. So here add a condition from. Now I need to add an email address. So I simply add this email address, my own email address. You can also add another condition, but I don't want to add another condition. Next step is add an action, which is important. You can move your email received from this specific email address to a specific folder. You can delete those emails. You can pin those emails on top, mark as read, and you can also categorize them. Or you can very easily use this route feature, in which you can forward those messages, redirect those messages, and forward as attachment. So that way, for example, I simply select mark as read. Now I can also add another action. I can add an exemption. Sometime when I need to apply the rule to all the emails except some kind of exception, I can use this option. Now here, stop processing more rules is already selected. I have already created a detailed video on stop processing more rules. What is the main function of this feature? So you can get the link in my description section. Now you can also click on this checkbox, run rules now, and hit save. When you hit save, that rule will be added in the rule list. Here is my rule list. So you will see The rule is already enabled. You can turn this all. You can disable it anytime you want. Now the third feature is conditional formatting. So if you want important emails to pop visually, use conditional formatting. Now first you have to click on this view tab. Now click on view settings. Now you will see under mail there is an option which is conditional formatting. When you click on it, you will see the interface is slightly similar to the rules. Now what I need to do here, I need a condition when I need to simply highlight a specific email received from a specific sender. So in my case, if I receive an email from my boss and I want to highlight those emails in my inbox, that will directly catch my attention. So what I need to do is click on this add rule. Again, name the rule. I name it boss. Now the condition from. Although you can see few options over here. If I received from, or if I am on the to or CC line, I am on the to line, I am not on the to line, and I am on the CC line. These are few other options. Subject include, this is also a beautiful option. Keywords, sender address include. This is good. Subject include, when you select this option and you will enter a specific keyword, that email will be considered and the conditional formatting action will be applicable on that email. So I show you this example only. For example, test report. So this is my keyword, and when I receive an email with the subject including test report word, what this condition formatting do? Select the font color, choose color. I select red, hit OK. Now you will see when you receive this email, that email will be highlighted as red color, and simply hit save, and you will see this is also added in your conditional formatting list. You can again disable it anytime you want. Now the next one is search folder. Search folder are dynamic filters, always updates, no dragging required. So if you look on this left navigation section, under your email address, you will have a folder which is search folder. Simply click your right mouse button, or you can also use this three dots. You will get an option which is create new search folder. Simply click on it. Now here you have to choose the type. So when I click on this drop down, I have few options over here. Unread mail, flag to follow up. Now mail sent directly to me, mail from a specific person, customized email. So I simply use unread mails. Now search folder name, you have to name it. So I name it unread and hit create. I will show you when I hit create, a unread folder is just created just below the search folder. Now the feature of this, now what I did, I simply created a folder with all the unread emails. When I click on this folder, you will see all your emails which are not read or which are not opened yet are listed here. Once you click on this email, that will marked as read and it will remove from this folder. So these are few automation tools which are available in new Outlook. Now next is we will go with semi-automation tools. So the first one is quick steps. Quick step combine actions into shortcuts. Let's check this out. First, select your home tab and you will see quick step section separate. Click on this option, drop down, click on manage quick steps, and you are redirected to the main quick step section. Although the interface is similar to the rules, so what it says, quick steps are like rules, but applied manually per message. With them, you can take multiple actions on a message in one click. Let's check this out, how it works. Simply click add quick step. First, you need to name your quick step. So I name it, say demo. Now choose an action. When I click on this drop down, you will see few options. Move to, copy, delete, permanent delete, change status, read and read, tags. You can tag very easily from this feature. Flagging, pin, unpin, categorize your mail, snooze. You can respond, and you can also use conversation. So I simply use, say, move to. When I select move to, it will also ask me to assign a specific folder. You can use existing folders, or you can also use your current. You can use existing folder, or you can create your own new folder. There is two other options as well. Move to different folder, or always ask for folder. So I use, say, I just create a new folder. I name new folder, see demo, hit save. Now I want to move emails to the demo folder. So you will see add another action. I can also add another action in this quick steps. Now optional, you can add the description here. Now the main point is you can also assign a keyboard shortcut for your quick step. So if in case you need to assign it, you can use these, or you can leave as it is. Now hit save. Now you will see your quick step demo, which is already added in the list. Close this box. And the main part which I want to show you is that this demo is already added in your quick step action. Now once I click any email like this and I hit this demo button, that will automatically move this email to my demo folder. So I need to find my demo folder. This is my demo folder. So when I click on this email will be automatically shifted to the demo folder. Now the second semi-automation tool is keyboard shortcuts. For that, you need to simply click on this gear symbol, which is available on the top right corner of your Outlook screen. Now search for keyboard shortcuts. So when I hit key, my keyboard shortcut will automatically appear. Click on it and you will see keyboard shortcut. There are three options: Outlook for Windows, Outlook for Web, and turn off keyboard shortcuts. So to see the full list of supporting shortcuts, press # key or click here. So you will see these are all the keyboard shortcuts which are available in your new Outlook. You can also use these keyboard shortcuts to control your Outlook. So in my view, keyboard shortcuts are kind of semi-automation tools for me. So this is the end of this video. I have shown you few automation tools and few semi-automation tools. So if this video helped you declutter your inbox, like it and subscribe for more productivity wins. Drop a comment and let me know which Outlook automation are you trying first. Now go ahead, take control of your inbox and work your magic.